Okay, so you are welcome. And as we said in our previous lesson, I will be talking about um, posts in WordPress. Now, if you are a web user, if you're a blogger or looking at creating your blog, you'll be writing content on your blog and you have to understand how to work with WordPress posts. Now, we have different blogging platforms. Some other person chooses to use Blogger, some uses Joomla. We have WordPress, and all these are content management systems. And one of the, as we said before in the introduction of the course, the most popularly used content management system is the WordPress. Now, for you to start publishing content, you have to understand, as I said, you have to understand how to use this feature called the posts. By default, when we installed this WordPress, we had a sample blog post, which was the hello world. It comes with every WordPress installation by default. And then you have to delete that so you could start writing your own content. Now, if you go to the post feature here at the menu here, as in admin, we have other ones such as add new categories tags. Now this one, add new with AI. I think it came with the hosting service which we are using, that is the hosting jar. I think they've integrated artificial intelligence into their hosting platform such that any WordPress that you install on their services or their plan will come with these artificial intelligence features. Personally, I've not tried it before, so I think we will possibly explore this feature here to see how it goes. Now, to start creating blog posts, first and foremost, you have to come over to here and click on add new. Once you click on there, there's a field here that is going to be asked to provide the title of your blog post. Now, you provide the title of your blog post right here, and then you provide the content of your blog post. Now, what is the title of your blog post, right? The title of your blog post is this. For example, let's take a look at this blog, LASU Alumni UK Scholarship Application Form 2023-2024. Now, this is the title of the blog post, right? When you are publishing a post, every blog post have what is called the title. We have what is called the content. This is the body of the blog, right? This is usually the whole content. And the body contains, it can contain images, it can contain links, and then a whole lot of other things. So you can bold, format your text, the content here. And you're going to be writing some, blog posts to show you how everything works. And so let's first give a this this is my first blog post. So that's where the title goes. And then this is going to be the content of your blog post. Right. This is the content of my blog post. Thank you for reading. All right. Thank you for reading. Now, once you've done that, you can um choose to add images to it. We are going to be looking at that, working with media. But to quickly show you some stuff, you can click on add media right here. All right, so you can add a media, and then we have media library. This is going to display the whole media that you have in your WordPress. But since we don't have media right now, you can import here. Just click on select and then look for any image in your this local drive, then open, upload it here, and then insert to post. So you can insert this to your blog post, right? So once you click on here, you can choose to centralize this image. Okay, you can choose to click on edit image here. You can make it a large file, or you can add the full size of it by default, like as it came. Then click on update, and you have this image inserted to your blog post. Okay, this is a deadline, and paste it here at the bottom. And once you are done, This is basically how to start writing blog posts. Click on publish. Now we are going to be looking at the categories, but let's first and quickly go through this. Now, when you are writing a blog post, you have to assign it to a blog category. Like if you look closely to this blog right here, that blog post was filed, I was assigned to a category called the scholarship. You get? So if you go to the home page under here, at this menu here, a category was created called the scholarships. So every blog post that relates to scholarships, opportunities in Nigeria or abroad, anywhere it is. So this guy assigns a blog post to that category. And once you click on it, you begin to see blog posts, right? And so under here, this is my first blog post. We can just create a category and call it sample post, and then click add new category. So this blog post right now is assigned to this sample post. And as well, you can add what is called tags. So if you're writing a blog in content about scholarships or Lagos State University or publishing a news, so these are different keywords you have to apply. They are called tags. So separate the tags with commas. For example, this blog post, I'm going to be using tags such as scholarship, right? Using a comma to separate it, or just hit enter to add that. Then I can add Lagos State University, Lagos State University, in the tag here. So I hit enter. You can see the author here of the blog. These are the different tags. These are the blog. This is the blog content with the image which we added here. And then this is usually the author of these blog posts. Okay. And now people can start dropping comments here. Start dropping comment on your blog post. All right. So this is how to work with blog posts on your WordPress website. So thank you so much. I expect to see you next time.